Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Tech Pro. Today in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys something that I'm really excited about, and I am super ready to get this out there. I have mentioned that I'm going to be doing different series things in the past, but I've actually never ended up doing them, and I apologize for those. I'm just now realizing, that I've been doing those, and it's really weird. But this is what I'll be doing. Okay, this is going to be something that I'd like to start doing. Ubuntu, Linux Ubuntu series, that it's Ubuntu 18.04 with the Unity desktop installed. So, yep, that's what I'd like to start doing. I think this might be a series that I'm going to be doing. And this time I mean it. I'm actually going to be doing a series on Linux. It'll be tech support videos. I know I've been doing Windows 10 videos. I do think I might have done Windows 8, but I don't remember. But yeah, this is, Linux Ubuntu. Super excited to be doing this. And don't worry, there will still be Windows 10 videos going on, but for now, I think I'm just going to do Linux just to kind of see if y'all like them. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for Linux videos coming in the future, because there will be some next week, maybe a little bit this weekend, possibly. So yeah, that's actually about it. I know this probably wasn't the video that y'all were hoping for, but this is just what I want to go ahead and put out there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace. Bye.